Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to present you the best way how we can get data when you're going to travel to Greece, and also what is the best eSIM provider for Greece. So in this video I'm going to present the two providers that I personally like and I personally use, and I'm going to show you how they work. So the first one is Maya Mobile. Maya Mobile, in my opinion, is an amazing eSIM provider, and the first thing that I always do with Maya Mobile, I go here to coverage and I come here to coverage and I check on Greece, and you see most of the Greece is covered, and you know that you're gonna get a lot of good data. Even you see right here at the islands too. So for example, data for me worked really well when I was traveling to Corfu, and I really like that. So here you see that Greece is amazing covered. Now I go to search and I'm going to write Greece. With the links down below in description, you're going to get also discount, so you can use that. And you see right here that you can have 5 days, 10 days, 15 days. So let's say that you're going to be in Greece for 30 days. You're going to have the data plans right here. So let's say that you want to go for 10 gigabytes of data. And here you would click activate now. Then you're going to see the starting date, when the date of the data plan will start, and you see that you're going to get, with the link down below in the description, 10% discount, which is pretty good. You're going to actually save money. Then what will happen is that when you're going to activate it, you will get a QR code to your email. You have to scan it, then you would activate the eSIM card, and I made a full guide down below in the description on how you can actually activate the eSIM with Maya Mobile. And now when you will have it, that's it. Super simple. You can use also data as a hotspot if you want to, but that's pretty much it, how it works. Now when we go even further, this is the first way, and then you can use Airalo. Also, you're gonna have discount down below in the description. And with the Airalo, I'm going to write here Greece, and I will click here. And then you see that you can have 1 gigabyte, 2 gigabyte of data, 3 gigabyte, 10 gigabyte, 5 gigabyte, and you see right here it's 5 gigabyte, $25. They are using same network, so they are literally the same regards network. The one important thing is the pricing, and right here you're gonna have $25, and here it's, wait a second, 10 gigabytes 30 days is $14.50. Here it's 10 gigabytes 30 days, $25. So you see that you're gonna have with Maya Mobile much better price comparing to Airalo. And with Airalo and both Maya Mobile, you're gonna have QR code that you have to activate. So thank you very much guys for watching. If you're gonna have any questions, let me down below in the comments, and have a great day and goodbye.